Welcome. I was grocery shopping at my local Walmart this morning and decided, what can I get for $100? Let's see what I got. Let's start with canned meats. You can never go wrong with canned meats. If you watch my channel, you know I love Keystone meats. This is the best canned meat overall, my opinion. Dak ham, family sized, luncheon meat. If you haven't seen my video of luncheon meat versus Spam, I'll leave the link in the description. Here we have tuna, about 4 cans, and some canned chicken. As far as what we would call dry goods, flour, sugar. You want to make some bread, some active yeast, powdered sugar, light brown sugar. Let's look at grains, cornmeal, oats, cereal. Here we have baking mix for pancakes, biscuits. I was reading an article this morning that was stating they're predicting grain and cereal shortages as soon as 2023. I did make a video of that about a month ago if you want an in-depth view on that. Here we have rice and beans, a prepper must. We have pork and beans, and behind that, some chili beans. You can never go wrong with macaroni. With your macaroni, Velveeta cheese, spaghetti. Don't forget the spaghetti sauce, medium noodles. The most expensive, $10 for oil, some vegetable oil, shortening. If you do a lot of baking, shortening is a must. Butter. I keep about 24 of these in the freezer. Then we have vegetables. I have corn, green beans, sliced carrots, potatoes, diced tomatoes, just your basic vegetables, tomato sauce, tomato paste, some fruits, pineapple, peaches, fruit cocktail, and basic condiments and spices, ketchup, mustard, salt and pepper, garlic powder. As for drinks, you can't go wrong with dry milk, some coffee, which is getting expensive. That's $7. Iced tea, evaporated milk, tomato juice. I'm counting 46 items I got for $100. If you consider the olive oil and the coffee were about $17. Those were the most expensive items. But you have fruit and vegetables. The vegetables were about 50 cents a piece. If you consider the inflation over the past couple years, 2 years ago, you could probably get all this food for, my guess is about $75.